Hello guys, today is the day when I'll be working in the dining room of my new work by Duracraft Dollhouse. In keeping with the style of the living room which we already finished, we'll be using as inspiration the dining room of the TV series Downton Abbey. It is recommended that you do the wallpaper first and then the floor, but I already have my floor set up and there really is no wiggle room. So just any little bit that I would add to the thickness of the walls would make the floor not fit right. So I'll keep the floor that I already have, and then today I'll get started on applying the wallpaper. As you can see in the TV series, sometimes the wallpaper looks yellow and sometimes it looks a little bit more buttery cream. I don't want to put a bright yellow, so I'm going to be using this as wallpaper. First thing is I'll be taking measurements so that I can make a template with regular paper. These are my templates. You can see that I have cut out the windows. This is the paper that I will be using for the wainscoting. Wainscoting is usually 30 inches in height, so in my scale, which is 1/12, is going to be 2.5. I have already sprayed this paper a couple of times with crafter's spray. It'll give it a little bit of sheen, and also it will protect it. So I have lined up my wainscoting, which is going to be on the lower part, and then this is the wallpaper, and I will set up my templates right here and cut them out. From the templates I have now cut the paper.